So I love my Ugg slippers. They're so warm, but after that you've had them a couple years or you've worn them a lot, the insides will tend to flatten out and they're not nearly as warm as they used to be. And I always thought that then it would be time to buy a new pair of Uggs, but not the case. The inside just gets flat. Probably can't see that. But, no, I mean they fit, but they start to get a little bit loose. The bottom's flat. They're not as warm. So rather than buying a whole new pair of Uggs, you can actually buy inserts to go in the bottom of them, replacement inserts, and they're made by Ugg. I got these off Amazon for $19.99 a pair. And it's like getting a brand new pair of shoes of Uggs for $20. So they're really easy. You don't remove anything. You leave them just like they are. It's the original shoe. Peel this off. That's just the sticker. It doesn't do anything. Fluffy it is. You buy the same size that your shoe. You just flatten it out just a little bit because it'll bunch up when you put it in there. And that's it. You put it on. Difference is so good. I mean, you immediately feel it. Your shoe might be snug for a couple of times, the first couple times you wear it, because you've got that new insole in there. But it loosens up after a little bit. But the difference in the two is incredible. I can feel the sheep's skin already. Very easy. You just two 30 seconds, really. It doesn't even take a minute. They come as a pair. There is a left and a right. It's just like your shoe. And you just lay it in there. But I like to make sure it's where it's supposed to go. No ridges, lumps, or anything like that. Yeah, I think these Uggs were $160, $170. And then you just, for $20, I get to start over. Ready to go. Less than a minute. I feel good.